ping probe. So we combined on the imager strand, next to the dye molecule on one end, we put a quencher on the other end. If the molecule's in solution, it kind of moves around all the time. It's flexible. The quencher gets into close proximity of the fluorescent dye, and it prevents the emission of fluorescence from that fluorophore. But when it's bound to the docking strand, then it will be stretched out, will be far enough away to not prevent, to not quench the fluorescence, and the molecule will lighten up. Here, mitochondria staining, where we label protein on the outer membrane of mitochondria.
Similarly, we can do 3D imaging on our multimodal microscope, and then come to the scanning ion conductance microscope, look at the same cell and focus on a microvilli like this, or simply acquire this three-dimensional view combined with the fluorescence as we normally do. But coming back to the platform where we can do everything at the same time, so this is nice because we can perform simultaneously also SOFI, so fluorescence imaging, and also
we are quite big. We have a lot of products, but we don't cover all. We've just seen, for example, AFM that brings some information, and we do not make AFMs, but the data must be integrated into the context. So what we did, and here my colleague from Shanghai is showing, we can integrate the different scales in one single workspace, for example, and address localized information of different sources: wide field, electron microscopy, fluorescence, confocal, 3D, and localize every information in a context, in a multi-scale context. So this